right, so here we have the first look for myself at the AlphaEdge 4D from All-Star Weekend. And this one I cannot believe I came up on. Honestly, I was trying just like you guys were online, and I ended up hitting on the splash page, and then I got through and I was able to cop a pair. And you can see from the box it says it's the AlphaEdge 4D ASW All-Star Weekend. I believe that stands for. I got a size 9. They only had full sizes, so they didn't have a 9.5. And the size 9 fits me just fine. It has an Adidas logo on it and kind of an interesting print all over the box. And then you can see it has a pull style box in the back where you can open up the box. But this was a pretty big come up for me. I mean, I really have been wanting to try out this new technology of the Futurecraft soles, and these things are just crazy looking, and it's weird to see them in person finally, and it's even crazier to actually have tried these on feet now. I will do like a detailed review of these if you guys want to see on my channel, give you guys more feedback and more of the tech specs about the Futurecraft material, as well as this interesting upper that they have on the AlphaEdge. These definitely look kind of like a loose version of the Alphabounce. They sit higher than the Futurecraft 4Ds do, but the overall look of this one is going to be hit and miss amongst consumers. A lot of people are sleeping on the Alphabounce in general. I think the Alphabounce is a great shoe, but this AlphaEdge shoe definitely has a nice look to it in my opinion. Definitely the biggest draw to the shoe is this crazy midsole with the Futurecraft midsole, and I don't know if you could see, but obviously there's a ton of gaps in this shoe. So stepping in mud or something like that would probably be pretty tragic in these shoes. The branding on the shoe is pretty minimal. You could see it just has the Adidas logo on the side, and then it has the 3 stripes down the middle of the shoe. And then on the toe, it has the Adidas logo also. And on the sole, you can see it says Continental on it. And you can see on the insole, it does say Futurecraft 4D, so pretty cool that it has that. It doesn't say anything about Futurecraft on the box, but it is a little bit confusing, honestly, the way they brand things, because I don't know what this technology is. Is this the 4D or is this the Futurecraft? I think that this midsole is the Futurecraft stuff. But again, I will have a more detailed review of these. If you guys want to see that, stay tuned to the channel. It does look like there's a little bit of a Xeno sort of vibe on the heel tab. It looks like it's reflective, so that's kind of nice. And then this whole collar of the black area right up here, I believe is like a stretch prime knit. So that is what you have on your foot. They do fit a little bit snug. I loosened the laces up all the way. Definitely the way I like to have these on feet. And all in all, I'm pretty impressed with the shoe, and I'm pretty impressed with the technology. I thought that this was not going to be very comfortable at all, but as soon as I put them on, I was like, man, these do have a lot of cushioning in the shoe. But my first impressions, how is it comparison to like Adidas Ultra Boost? I don't think that they're really 100% comparable. They're definitely different full midsole technologies. I think the Ultra Boost has probably more responsiveness than the Futurecraft type material. This one definitely has a lot of cushioning, and you can see in the on foot section, it definitely kind of collapses a little bit more than what Boost does. But yeah, I mean, all in all, like, it's still a comfortable pair of sneakers. But are these worth the $300? That is going to be the magical question. A lot of people are wondering. It's hard to say because there's so many other great shoes on the market that you could get a comfortable shoe for $150. The Nike Epic React Flyknit is a prime example of a shoe that has more cushioning, in my opinion, than these do, and those are $150. But I have to say that the durability on this is probably much better because of the Continental rubber. I'm not sure if this is going to bottom out over time because of this kind of weird plasticky rubberized material, and I don't know necessarily what this is made out of, but I don't know if there's going to be longevity to it. Like, I feel like there is more longevity to Boost, but I know a lot of people say that their Boost has bottomed out through the years also. So bottom line is, if you're willing to pay $300 to be like an early adopter like myself and be able to get a pair first to the market, then of course you're going to be paying that premium price. If you're willing to wait when the prices of these drop and they're going to have more in production, and the overall cost of the shoe to Adidas goes down because they've already made this sole, now they can just manufacture the heck out of it. I think that eventually this will go down significantly in price, but I think for right now, the $300 price point is there. And for me, it was worth it because I definitely just wanted to try it out and see. And also having a sneaker YouTube channel, obviously it's imperative that I stay up with the technology, and that's what I have wanted to do, and that's kind of what I enjoy doing. So for me, it's definitely worth it. For the average consumer, maybe not worth paying $300 as of right now. I mean, Ultra Boost is a great shoe, and $180 for those is much, much better, in my opinion, than paying $300 for these. But it is what it is, different strokes for different folks. At the end of the day, I'm happy with my purchase, and I'm really, really excited to see where these take Adidas and just wear these more and see how they are comfort-wise. And I can do a follow-up with you guys like I've done after wear with a lot of the other models that are on the market. But that's pretty much it for the video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little overview of the shoe. I think that this is a pretty cool looking model. It's the second one that we've seen on the market with the Futurecraft material. Obviously, the Futurecraft 4D model, though, would be one that I want to try. I actually really like the overall look of the Futurecraft 4D model better than this one, but this is the only one I was able to get. I struck out on all of the Futurecrafts from all of the releases, so unfortunately, I was not able to get my hands on those. But I'm still happy to be able to get these ones. Again, this isn't a paid sponsorship by Adidas or anything like that, so I can give you guys my honest opinion about what I feel the product is, and I'm excited to give you guys the truth on the way I feel about these shoes as I wear them a little bit more. But thank you guys for stopping by. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I got a lot of other videos coming, a lot of other fun all-star pickups, so stay tuned to the channel. Hit the subscribe button if you want to be notified when I post videos, and also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified of when the videos go live. If you guys want to click some other videos on my channel at this time, feel free to hit the screen. And thank you guys for stopping by and watching. We'll catch you guys for some more videos later this week. Peace, guys.